If you're in the hunt for a home, you could be experiencing sticker shock with the hike in interest rates adding hundreds to your monthly mortgage compared to if you bought 2 years ago. But some experts say it's not all bad for buyers. In fact, this could be beneficial. After living on the East Coast for a few years, Mario Moore and his wife knew it was time to return home to the D and plant roots. But finding their forever home,
It's been hectic.
his house hunt now entering month 7, and the delay is costly. Last week, the Federal Reserve announced its largest interest rate bump in more than 2 decades at 0.75%.
That sounds terrible. It sounds grim.
Run up in mortgage costs and a decline in affordability has been very, very stark and happened very quickly.
Daniel Meningov, the head of forecasting at the University of Michigan, says if you bought a home for $300K today, your monthly payment would be on average around $2,000 compared to $1,500 6 months ago. That $500 difference is pricing a lot of people out of purchasing. David Hall, the CEO and founder of Hall Financial, says it's time to reevaluate what you can afford.
There's certainly going to be a little bit of sticker shock, especially if you got pre-approved a couple months ago, because now you either have to buy a little less home or accept that the payment's going to be a little bit more.
To put that into perspective, to reach the same monthly payment, a person will likely have to drop down their home price by $100,000. But for some buyers, there's an upside.
This is a great time to buy a home.
Janet Graham, an experienced realtor and associate broker at Howard and Hanna, says the climbing costs will clear out some buyers, eliminating the need for a bidding war.
But a buyer now doesn't have to be so stressed out that they've got to compromise and just grab the first thing in front of them.
Graham says when interest rates were at record lows, the market was flooded and many people were waiving inspections, bidding tens of thousands of dollars over asking just to get a home. But that's shifting.
It's a perfect time to do negotiations again, which was off the table for buyers for the past few years.
Moore says right now he'll take the good with the bad.
I mean, what can you do? What can you do?
In Southfield, Kiera Hay, 7 Action News.